tired of brittle, slow-growing nails? Forget expensive treatments. The secret to long, strong, beautiful nails might just be sitting in your kitchen pantry. Today, we're diving into 3 amazing all-natural DIY nail masks that will nourish your nails from the cuticle to the tip, promoting healthy growth and incredible strength. Let's get started on our journey to dream nails. First up, we have the ultimate moisturizing mask, the honey and lemon soak. This one is fantastic for hydrating dry, brittle nails and brightening them up. You'll need 1 tablespoon of raw honey, which is a natural humectant that draws moisture into your nails and skin. Then you'll need the juice of half a lemon. Lemon is packed with vitamin C, which promotes collagen production, a key building block for strong nails. Plus, it has natural bleaching properties that help to whiten yellow-stained nails. To make it, simply mix the tablespoon of honey with the fresh lemon juice in a small bowl until it is well combined. It should form a slightly sticky, syrupy consistency. Now, for the relaxing part, apply the mixture generously over each nail, making sure to cover the entire nail bed and the cuticles. You can use a small brush or just your fingertips. Let your nails soak in this golden goodness for about 15 to 20 minutes. This gives the ingredients enough time to penetrate deeply. While you wait, just relax. Maybe listen to some music or a podcast. Once the time is up, rinse your hands with lukewarm water and gently pat them dry. Your nails will already feel so much softer and look brighter. For best results, use this mask once or twice a week. Next, let's whip up a strengthening powerhouse, the egg yolk and olive oil mask. This one is a protein-packed treatment that's perfect for repairing weak, peeling nails. The star of this mask is 1 egg yolk. Egg yolks are rich in biotin and protein, which are essential for nail thickness and strength. We'll combine that with 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is an incredible moisturizer loaded with vitamin E, which helps repair, damage, and nourish the cuticles. In a small bowl, whisk the egg yolk until it's smooth. Then slowly drizzle in the olive oil, continuing to whisk until the mixture is creamy and well emulsified. It should look like a mini mayonnaise. Using a clean cotton swab or a small brush, paint this rich mask onto each of your nails. Pay extra attention to your cuticles, as healthy cuticles are the foundation of healthy nails. Let this mask work its magic for about 15 minutes. It will feel a little strange, but trust the process. The nutrients are working hard to fortify your nails. Afterwards, wash your hands thoroughly with gentle soap and warm water to remove all the residue. You'll notice your nails feel more resilient and look healthier almost immediately. Using this mask once a week will significantly reduce breakage and peeling. Our final recipe is a growth-boosting superstar, the garlic and coconut oil infusion. Now, don't be scared off by the garlic. It's a game changer for nail growth. Garlic is rich in selenium, a mineral that helps promote nail strength and growth. Combined with coconut oil, which is deeply conditioning and has amazing properties, this mask is a true miracle worker. You'll need 1 small clove of garlic and 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil. First, you need to finely mince or crush the garlic clove. The smaller the pieces, the more of its beneficial compounds will be released. Gently warm the tablespoon of coconut oil until it's liquid, but not hot. You can do this by placing the jar in a bowl of warm water or microwaving it for just a few seconds. Stir the minced garlic into the warm coconut oil and let it infuse for about 10 minutes. This allows the powerful properties of the garlic to meld with the oil. After it has infused, you can either apply it as is, or if you prefer a smoother texture, you can strain out the garlic pieces. Massage the infused oil into your nails and cuticles for a few minutes. The massage itself helps to stimulate blood flow to the nail bed, which further encourages growth. Leave the oil on for about 20 to 30 minutes. The scent of garlic will fade, I promise. Then rinse your hands with warm water. This treatment is potent, so using it once a week is plenty to see a real difference in your nail length and overall health. So there you have it, 3 simple, effective and all-natural nail masks you can make right at home. Consistency is key, so pick your favorite or rotate between them to give your nails a variety of nutrients. Say goodbye to weak nails and hello to the long, strong, beautiful nails you've always wanted. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty secrets. See you in the next video.